So this 1 hour demand zone on Swipe is officially over. I say officially over. It's unofficially over for me because we've had our break here, and then we've come back down, and we've got our entries, and then this was not really your target. We were looking for these levels, but as we see, we've come right up here. Did we have a failed swing low? No, we did not. So failed swing high, we did not have that. But as you can see, price breaking the EMAs. That's your kind of backup plan, or my backup plan. And then we've come right back into the source again. But generally, once that double touch of the source, you don't really expect price to continue back up, especially with the higher time frames being so bearish. So we're going to see now if the bears are still slowing down, or are they just taking a pause and gonna head down south a bit more. Let me zoom out on the monthly, and on that monthly time frame, we did get a nice bit of I won't say indecision in June, but in June we do have like a very small amount of movement. Let me sort this chart out. There we go. All right, so we did get a little bit, from these big candles dropping down here, we've got a little bit of a small breather, and now we started in July. We're going to see how this kind of unfolds, but for now we're still bearish. Understand that we've broken all these structures down. We're not really looking to be long-term buyers or anything really. The long-term sellers are still in charge from this level here. But moving down to the weekly, we've got another bearish market structure as we just continue to break this level here. But prices now, as you can see, you've got that sideways movement where the candles are just really undecided, real small right here. Usually that's like a breather. It's not a bullish kind of signal, so don't take it for that, but it's telling you that the sellers are taking their profits gradually, or planning their next move. And we're going to see if we're going to get a little bit of a pullback into this zone before we continue to go back down, or if we eventually break this fractal high, which would be a very nice bullish kind of movement for us. But in terms of the fractals, we are still live with these lows that have failed to close. So this is from way back when. Here, this is a level that we've clipped, failed to close below it on this candle, the 9th of May, and then this candle on the 13th of June, the week commencing. So remember, this is the weekly. So these levels here, small indication that the bulls are liking this price level and trying to accumulate some of those buys to take the price higher. But again, the price just could come up to here and then catapult right down. So just be aware of that. But for me, this is that kind of base level where we're seeing some signs that the bears are slowing down a little bit, unless of course if we close below any of these levels here, then they're still in charge. But moving down to the daily, still bearish. We've come down, we've got no money clips. It's a nice trend coming down. You're getting these lower highs, and then now we're just getting equal lows though. So this equal low level again supports our weekly theory that the price is just slowing down a little bit. Maybe we're going to get some consolidation before we break down north, or again, because we've got these failed swing lows on a weekly, we may see some upward movement and break above this $50 50 cent 60 cent level key. And that is what we've got for Swipe on the quick update. If you like what you see and what you're hearing, like and subscribe. Peace.